我们最后一个浩峰生物科技，我们请优子先。
很感谢有这个机会跟大家分享跟介绍浩峰。因为我们有录影，所以我要用英文来跟大家报告。那我们也有外国朋友，这样如果不清楚都可以提问题。Okay, I'm very glad to introduce Apex Biotech and with our technology and our product here. My name is Johnson Yo. I'm the Senior Project Management of the Apex Biotech. First, I'll talk about our company profile. We have established Apex Biotech since 2017 January, and we are the first group to move to NBRP on April 2019. Our focus field is the medical device, as well as new drug. Right now, we are targeting on the orphan disease. We'll talk about it later, and also antivirus. That's a hot topic here right now. So our contributed capital is USD 2.73 million and equal to about 80 million Taiwan dollars right now. We have two out-licensed products. One is PD-L1 product is from the famous researchers at that time in US, but right now that's the teacher. And we sell out in 2018 September. And the other we out-licensed another one is the diagnosis on lung cancer 2019 to a local company here in NBRP. And our major investors are the Sanfu Global Company and also the National Development Fund. Our chairman and president are Sui Tian-Chen, Chen Sui-Tian 博士. Also, we're listing timeline will be prepared to IPO on 2024. And our office just above this building in the 6th floor. If you are interested, please to talk. We're welcome to talk to us. I'll talk about our business model. For the Apex Biotech, we are the IP generation company. We have 5 pillars on this map. The first one is cooperation. We call the AI cooperation is the academic industry cooperation with very famous schools and academic syndicate. And the second will be the diagnostic device. We also cooperate with the NTUH, a lot of hospital here, to collect the samples and do our diagnostic device. And the third one will the co-development with some company like Electures. They are focusing on the drug development. And the third one will be the natural resource. Natural resource, also including the DCBs. And the fifth will be the founding of the National Development Fund here. So, leveraging these 5 pillars, we can generate the IP and also sell to other local companies or license to other collaborators who are interested with us. Here we have some patent application in our portfolio. Right now we have 6 patent applications. 3 are worldwide patents, including the PCT and the Taiwan patents. And 3 are the US provisional patents. The first one is the cancer biomarker patent from the academic syndicate. It has been granted at US and Taiwan. So far, our chairman and as well as the founder, Dr. Sui Tian-Chen, he has worked about more than 30 years in academic syndicate and retired to found this new company. And he also sell over 10 well-known IP to local biotech in Taiwan. here is our pipeline. Right now we have 6 projects on our pipeline. We use the numbers like L121, 123, 101, and 102. These 4 are the product is from our natural product Entrodia cinnamoa, and only one is the small molecule or single molecule, and the other is the botanic drug. We have targets on different diseases. As I have talked, the most leading one is the Huntington disease new drug 126, and the other one like COVID-19 in our target disease, and also other radiotherapy, anti-hypertension treatment. And the last 2 will be 801 diagnosis, they target on lung cancers. We have all, for the natural new drug, we have finished all the animal study here, so the preclinical animal data has been validated and tested. And the other is the potential market. We also talk about the potential market. Also, this target disease will have huge market potentials. As I have talked, the most advanced one is 106, where I have a novel mechanism in targeting on the Huntington disease. And for the diagnosis, we have our license diagnosis, the first stage product to the local company, as I have talked previous. We are targeting on the second stage development of the lung cancer diagnosis. I introduced about a medical need of the drug or the potentials. For the Huntington disease is a neurodegenerative disease, have a large market potential, and with a CAGR of 13%, had a great growth rate. And right now, FDA have 2 approved drugs. The most recent one is 2017, Austedo, is treated on the Huntington disease, but only on the symptom chorea, not other symptoms cannot improve. So our drug have the novel mechanism, just inhibition of the NLRP3 that will be a key information in the neural cells. So we think that this mechanism will have potential. In our animal model, have to prolong the disease progressions. So the last one slide. In the other about COVID-19, we have there are 2 oral drugs approved previous last year. And our 121 target is ACE2, is a general virus receptor, and also could reduce the ACE2 activity. So we have different mechanisms and test effective on the mouse data, very effective, and to prevent the lung damage. So the botanic drug has a high safety profile. So we think that our 121 will have great potential. Maybe it could also add on with this recent oral treatment. Okay, thanks for the listening, and we're welcome to have a cooperation, or you have any interest with our IP. Please talk to us. Thanks.
Thank you, Master Yo. Any questions? Okay, I have one question for you. So you have so many items in Alpus. Yeah, and what's your plan for those 2 major targets? Like when will you go to the phase 1 or phase 2 studies?
As I showed, we have 6 projects on our pipeline, and the most advanced, I think, with the most potential will be the Huntington disease, is L126. And because of the medical need, a lot of companies working on these targets, and as you will see, this only small molecule, 1 compound, so that will be easier to do the new drug development compared to the botanic drug, because it's a mixture. So we're focusing with all our resources to developing 126, this product first, and if there's any more resource, we are working on maybe the antibody drug or the cancer treatment. Thank you.
Thank you very much.